Imagine this. It's 2025 and the world of investing has changed forever. The stock market isn't just a game of luck or gut feelings anymore. It's a battlefield powered by artificial intelligence. And here's the kicker. The investors who thrive aren't the ones with the most money. They're the ones with the smartest tools. But here's the problem. Most people are still stuck in the past, relying on outdated strategies while the future of wealth building is happening right now. What if I told you that by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI-powered tools will give you the edge to dominate the market in 2025? Stick around, because this isn't just about making money. It's about securing your future, living the life you've always dreamed of, and leaving the competition in the dust. Let's dive in. Let's face it, the old ways of investing are broken. You've got analysts drowning in data, emotional decisions ruining portfolios, and let's not even talk about the time it takes to research stocks manually. It's exhausting, right? But here's the good news. AI is here to change the game. These tools aren't just fancy gadgets. They're your secret weapon to make smarter, faster, and more profitable decisions. And in 2025, they're going to be more powerful than ever. So, let's break it down. I'm going to show you the top 5 AI-powered investment tools that will dominate the market in 2025. But before we get into the list, let me ask you this. What's the one thing holding you back from investing like a pro? Is it fear, lack of knowledge, or maybe just not knowing where to start? Well, by the end of this video, those excuses will be gone. Let's start with the first tool that's already making waves. Oh, and by the way, if you're still using Excel to track your investments, it's time to upgrade. No offense. Excel, you're great, but you're not exactly cutting edge anymore. Tool 1. AI Portfolio Optimizers. First up, we have AI Portfolio Optimizers. These tools are like having a personal financial advisor who never sleeps. They analyze millions of data points, market trends, risk factors, even global news, to create the perfect portfolio for you. But here's the kicker. They don't just stop at creating your portfolio. They constantly adjust it in real time, ensuring you're always one step ahead of the market. Think of it as autopilot for your investments. Now I know what you're thinking, but what if the market crashes? Well, that's the beauty of AI. These tools are designed to predict and prepare for volatility, so you're not left scrambling when things go south. But here's the real question. What happens when everyone starts using these tools? Will the market become too predictable? Stick around, because we'll answer that later. Speaking of predictions, let's move on to our next tool, Predictive Analytics Platforms. Tool 2, Predictive Analytics Platforms. Imagine having a crystal ball that could tell you exactly where the market is headed. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, predictive analytics platforms are as close as it gets. These tools use machine learning to analyze historical data and identify patterns that even the most seasoned investors would miss. They can predict everything from stock price movements to economic trends, giving you a massive advantage. But here's the catch. These tools aren't just for Wall Street pros anymore. In 2025, they'll be accessible to anyone with a smartphone. That means the playing field is leveling out, fast. By the way, if you're still relying on your uncle's hot stock tip, it's time to let AI take the wheel. No offense to your uncle, but AI doesn't have a bad track record. Now, what if I told you there's a tool that can not only predict the market, but also execute trades for you? Let's talk about automated trading systems. Automated trading systems are the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it solution. These tools use AI to execute trades at lightning speed, taking advantage of opportunities that humans simply can't catch. But here's the thing. While these systems are incredibly powerful, they're not foolproof. You still need to set the right parameters and monitor their performance. Which brings us to our next tool, Risk Management AI. Because let's be real, no one wants to lose money, right? Tool 4, Risk Management AI. Risk Management. AI is like your financial bodyguard. It constantly monitors your investments, identifies potential risks, and takes action to protect your portfolio. But here's the best part. It doesn't just protect you from losses. It also helps you take calculated risks that can lead to massive gains. Now, before we reveal the final tool, let me ask you this. What's the one investment mistake you're most afraid of making? Because our last tool might just be the solution you've been waiting for. The final tool on our list is Behavioral Finance AI. This tool doesn't just analyze the market, it analyzes you. It identifies your emotional biases and helps you make decisions based on logic, not fear or greed. Because let's be honest, we've all made a bad decision because we got too emotional. Like that time I bought a stock just because it had a cool name. Spoiler alert, it didn't end well. But here's the real question. Are you ready to take control of your financial future? Because these tools aren't just for 2025, they're available right now. So what's next? Start by exploring these tools and finding the ones that work best for you. The future of investing is here, and it's time to claim your piece of it. Don't wait, because the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time? Right now. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which tool you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching. And remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. See you in 2025.